knocking every time I give it any type of gas. You know what they say about engines that are knocking? Keep driving until they don't knock no more. I can believe we already gave it a damn knock. It was just fine a second ago, now she's knocking. The seat's breaking, the engine's breaking, the clutch pedal's breaking. I'm not sure that Tater was much ready for this. The thing is, if we blow it up here, this is the best place to blow it up. She's not having a lot of fun, I'll admit.